Hi everybody, Pro Trader Mike. My apologies. Man, I was gonna make the show at 2:30 because I had the boys coming home and they don't have school anymore. Oh man, sorry I'm late. Tried to get here quick. A lot of things going on. The dogs had to go out before the show. Otherwise they would have pissed all over the floor and I would have heard it. Oh boy. So welcome everybody. Tuesday, June 5th. This is the 2018 MOJO Day Trading show. This is probably my 1500th show. Sorry, Twitter, I'm late. Periscope. Let me check my miners real quick. Offline, none. Only one that's offline is the one that I'm on, and the one that's mining Boatcoin right now. Check out my Twitter. I had a couple people be like, "Oh, dude, you're late." But I had to sign up this new guy and get him into the room. This guy right here who just joined, Tomer. So he's in. I got to update his buying power. He's a new guy. I'm gonna coach him. I gave him Fran today. Also, which was really cool. I just got an email from a new guy who's gonna be in class tonight. Here he is, Alex, right here. Well, let me hide his email. Right here it says, Mike, I paper traded this morning, did the Heinz trade play on AMRH and sold twice, made 560. Was done by 8:40 Central Time in Nashville. I look forward to the class tonight because we have Mojo University. So I just got this guy on the simulator. I'm going to coach him. Oh, that's Tomer right there. So he got on this. This is what he just, this is the program I got for that. Go to mojodaytrading.com and you go to simulator. He's going to get set up with 50,000 in buying power. He's going to get 2,000 shares that he could trade. Loading up. This is what it looks like right here. When you download the platform, you have real-time level 2. It replicates everything in real time. And then it's just what we use it for. As soon as I put the orders out in the room, you just put market buy and market sell, just like that. And I have the admin, and I'm able to watch and review and help with the trading, which is amazing. And that's the really huge benefit. And the feed, just like if you did, any kind of trading platform, is $99 a month. Same thing with this, but I'll waive the chat room fee. So it's kind of like a wash. So I'll give you a month free of the chat room, and you come on in, and then I can watch you trade. Let me see right here, and I have my admin. And then I can do a trade review. So let's see a trade review for someone today. Total P&L. How about this guy made money? Made a fresh. Put it on filled. I'm going to cover the, he did a lot of buys and sells. He started right at the open at 9, because you can't trade. This is made $134. I could pull over the actual right here. So he started off activity. See what he did. He bought AVXL at 387, 100, 388, 100, 382, 382, and 382. Another 500 at 382. 500 at 388. 500 at 39. What a great scale. Wow. This is, guys, a good trader from MOJO Day Trading. See, I taught him well. This is a real account. He made $221. But then the commissions was the difference. He made 144. So check it out. So this was a good trade. Did 100, 100, 100, went down. Then he came back up 500, 500, 500. Sold 500, sold 500, sold flat. Good trade, dude. And then he did UVXY, bought 100, 100, 100, 100, 200, 200, 200, 200, 100, and he's in UVXY. How many shares? 300, 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 1,300 UV at around 89. And then he did Twitter. Look, Twitter. I bet he Heinz'd it. 100, 100, 88, 89, 100 at 92, 100 at 97, 96, 94, and then he sold 99, 90. Oh, that was a bad sell. He should have sold that. Went right through. It went to 40.08. Oh, he should have sold that through, but he still made money. Great trade. Then he bought Wriggle. 56, 57, 57, 57, added 57, 500, added 58, added 61, added, and he sold Wriggle at 59. Great trade. And UVXY bought it at 85, 88, 89, sold it at 89, sold it at 89, 90, and 92. Great trading, dude. 100% accurate there. And that's what I'm able to do. I'm able to go through the trades and show you what you did good and wrong. You just did that Heinz a little bit. You should have held that one a little bit more. That's all. Let's see this guy. Demo 13. But that guy, real trading account, did good. Let's see demo. This is demo 13. Whoever that is. We'll go and see his trades. So he did same thing at the open. AVXL, 87, 88, 82, 300 at stopping station. And then he bought 600 at 367. How much did he miss the sell? See that he missed the sell on AVXL. AVXL went to like $4 right on the open. Let's check it out. Look at this other one I got right at the high, ACET. Picked it right here. Look at this all day. AVXL right here. Let's see what this guy's doing right here. Go over and do a little trade review. Oh, you know what I'm missing? I know I was missing one picture. Because it restarted. So I had to put in all the things again. Here's the disclaimer right here. We're a provider of education and entertainment, folks. Let's get entertained, shall we? Oh yeah, let's do that. Beautiful. Subscribe to my channel, guys. You'll get an email when I'm live every single time. Cool. So AVXL, dude, we sold that thing. Look, earlier in the day, it made a pop right here into 398. You didn't sell it. You got greedy. Journal that. It's a demo. So journal that. You got greedy right there. You should have sold it instead of averaging down. No way, dude. If it didn't go through, you should have sold right there. Went from 88 to 98, but it's okay. It's a demo. UVXY, you bought 186, 186, and sold it at 11. Great job, dude. That was a good ABEO. 1735, 1725, 1715. Sold 1790 and 1825. There you go. That was my ABO pick. Here's the other one. ACET pick. 298, 298, 298. Sold at Heinz 3. Guys are spectacular. Good job. AMRH, $2. Heinz in right there. Guys doing good. You just had one bad trade right there on AVXL in the beginning of the day. Otherwise, pretty damn profitable and good trading. You just need to increase your share size and learn how to go like this. 100, 100, 100, 5. 100, 100, 100, 1,000. Like that, and then you're in. You know what I'm saying? You can't just go boom, boom, boom. Then you trade's over. Great. I hit him in the face a couple of times. Dude, you want to knock that trade right out. Make some good money. Yeah. That's right. Show that baby we got going. Oh, baby. Show it to him that we got it going. Oh. That's what we do. That's what I tell my dog. Yo, that's what we do. So that's a nice little one right there. You want me to see another trade review? Demo 26. Lost 183. Let's see what he did. So this is the simulation. MOJO demo. So he bought AVXL at 82 and 95. Woo! Sold it at 80. Dang, rabbit. We sold it at 98, bro. Made a big run on the open. 20 cents, dude, on a small stock. It's greedy. Should have done a sell there and underneath and then bought it back there and then dumped it back at where you did your seconds. So you should have gone 82, 90 for 500, 95 for 500. Then, where'd you go? Then it went to 98. So you should have went 82, 9,500, 95, 500. Went to 98 and sold it. As soon as that thing reversed, you're out. We all did. It was quick right at the open. So you sold it today. It's not big of a deal. You sold it back where you bought the first one. Good job. Where is it now? 335. 50 cents lower. Good job. See that? Did good. I'd consider that a nice win. JNUG 1396. You better have sold it through 14. I told you it was going to Heinz. Did you? JNUG sold 1386. Oh, dude. JNUG 1407 went to 1418. Look, straight up on the JNUG, dude. Told you it was going to Heinz with Nugget at 25. You got to have positive expectancy. When I say Heinz, don't even think about it. Why are you going to think about it? Can't do that. Oh, yeah. All right, let's go to the next one right here. What else did you do? Twitter. You bought at 39.85. Great job. Let's see another one at 90. Selling. See, you did the sell on Twitter. Good. That's where you should have sold AVXL. Make a note in your journal. Dude. Come on, dude. Make a note in your camera. In your journal, bro. Right there. You did it good with Twitter. You didn't do it good with that one. There ain't no difference. JNUG, you fucked it up. AMRH, 62 is a no-buy zone. What are you buying at 62? That's why you should be buying at 49, which is 51 stopping station. Another mistake. You need Mojo University, bro. Fran, 646, 635, 630. You screwed up on Fran too. Fran 650, 660. Never went down. Don't know how you screwed it up. You know what I'm saying? Know what I'm saying? There you go. That's what I'm saying. That's a trade review. That's what you get. Close that baby out. Oh, I got to open it because I got to change his parameters. So sorry, dude. I got to change the parameters. 50,000 in buying power for you. Mr. New Guy. Mr. Tomer Top. Bitcoin spiked? No, I got Bitcoin. What did it spike to, boys? Where's my Bitcoin, boys? Got my Bitcoin. 75.5 was the last time I bought a little bit. 75.5 went right through 74.9 to 75.557. Let's see where it is now. 76.47. It ripping. See, I bought it right here, guys. See it? Right through Mini Ginny Hines. 75 hunch. See that? That's money off my electric bill for my mining, boys. See, I get paid in Bitcoin like $5 grand a month. So you take right there, $5 grand. Dude, it's already up 2. It's going to go up 10. It's $500. Good move. Also, let's see what I got. I got GBX, sold that one. Where's GBX? 340. I got GBX at 238. GBX. Right here. Look at the 2-week. Right down here, baby. 288. Right here. Pink. See it? Right down there. That's where I bought that GBX. Big winner on the GBX crypto portfolio. GBX 235 to 338. Let's see what the portfolio is doing live. Oh, got 176. So Litecoin up 1.8. Ooh, up 1,600 on the Litecoin. The dot coin. Even on the dot coin. Got the Ripple, 68. Got it at 61. Up $11,551. Got no stocks, only the crypto. So I'm up 11,551. Am I going to close it? No. Close position? No. Up 11,009. Cancel that sell. We don't want to do that. That'll trigger some massive selling. Then I got Electronium even on the Electronium with a big position. Then I got the biggest position, 422,000 hedge on Bitcoin, up $1,993 on Bitcoin. Got Potcoin and Votecoin. Those are my long-term holders. My HODLs. And that's the portfolio, boys. Am I closing any of them out? No negativity. Where's my...
No. For the last time, no.
That's what I'm not doing there. Already closed out the GBX. Shouldn't have done that. Look at that. This Blink got stopped out of Blink. Lost $15,000 on Blink. Hit my damn stop loss. Hit my stop loss on ADOM. Close there. Lost 16,859. Damn. Unbelievable. Lost 2,500. However, the week before on eBio made 144,000 minus 80 on ANPX. Damn right, boys. 9,000, 11,000 lost. Made 63,577 on UV with a 13% move. UV's a payday, 13 J's. These are all the positions. MOJO Day Trading, Pro Trader Mike. Service is $99 a month, folks. Up year to date, all my trades, open success. There you go. Easy to follow. You get alerted. Let's see what we can do. Recommend. So everyone will get notified on this. What is it's gonna be? Let's see. Crypto. 7,600, 611, 121, 166, 230, 20, 15. Ooh, here we go. 04. Stock's gonna go to 05. It's called Verge. There's the pick, boys. Verge, mini Hines. So we go right here. We go XVG. Bink. How much we got? 176. 76, 116. Bink. Time horizon, a month. Target 04. Doubles. Goes from 11 to 20. I call it a triple. Quadruple duple, 5 times right there. Stop loss, 02. So break. That's what I like. Call it the mini Hines. Go. Pink. Done. Ormeus is 90. I don't think it's going to go through. Pat went through freaking over. This is the same thing that one I just did is going to do. Look. It just went from 04 to 0065, up 36%. I knew I should have done Pack, dude. Knew it. Knew it. Decred, 99.59. DCR. Going through a hunch. Decred. 100. 1, 2, 3. Going to 101. Told you it's going through 100. It's at 101. Target 150. Stop loss 90. Call it the Hines, baby. Pink. There you go. Mojo's in. Bitcoin, Potcoin, Votecoin, Ethereum, Ripple, all those babies. It's a beautiful thing. Decred. Like mining Decred. Oh, let's see. Did this auto close trade play right here. So we came in on AMRH. We traded it up here this morning. And then it took a big dump. So you got hurt there. And you averaged in a little bit more right there. I'm calling your day, okay? And then it got crushed again. You got auto close. So what the auto close is, and I'm going to come in and swoop you down right here at $1.99. Okay? An auto closing is when you're margined too much. And at such a loss, your broker closes your position. Ooh. Oh. It happens automatically with a lot of prop traders as they have a set loss limit for the day. And when the threshold crosses, that dollar amount, the platform goes nuts and automatically closes the position. You can see a clear, faster movement of sells in the time and sales with an exaggerated move on the chart displayed by a huge red bar breakdown. This is the chance to scale in really slow and catch the stopping station for a dead cat bounce back up. And this is what we did. So I came in right, I told him to get ready for it. There you go, see it coming down. This is the auto close trade play right here. And then boom, we coming in and swooping in right there at 199.2. See that? Wriggle new high of the day. So we came in at 199.2 on AMRH. It's 187 now. Holy shit. So let me show you. Here's the breakdown. Let me just look at the chart time frame. It's the 1 minute, 5 minute, and it was exactly at 12:30 at 2. So exactly at 12:30 right here at 197 to $2. The stock rebounded back up to 218. Nice job. 26 million trade. It's got a red bar below VWAP. VWAP 234. It's actually a buy. If 2 penny pinchers come up at 186, guys, it's a lemon squeeze at 187. The lemon squeeze at 187, guys. Lemon. I teach that in MOJO U. So more guys are coming in at 186. It's going to go through. These are called penny pinchers. It went to 181. Say to yourself, why the effing hell are they crazy? Why don't you just chill out down here? It was down there. They need the stock so bad. Goes right through. Penny pincher. Told you. Anyway, it's awesome. Hello? Yes.
Most people know the Hulk is a gigantic green guy who's incredibly strong, super tough, and can maybe jump really, really far. Pretty straightforward, right?
The
But
Hulk
it turns out that in the
powers.
comics, the Hulk actually has...
It's amazing when people call you for a second. Hey, Mike, how you doing? We spoke. Dude, shit, don't talk to me like that. I'm never going to do business with you. I'm not your buddy.
A lot of weird bonus
I'm the
abilities
Hulk
as well. Here's a look at some superpowers most people don't know the Hulk has. Beyond sucker punching, that is. Hulk sees dead people. Weirdly enough, it turns out the Hulk can detect the spectral realm and even interact with it, allowing him to see ghosts as well as Doctor Strange's astral form. Although it's never been made official, it's been suggested that the Hulk gained the ability to see ghosts because Bruce Banner fears his abusive father might haunt him. Being afraid of ghosts makes sense since clearly the Hulk's got nothing to fear in the physical world. Is that what you got? Hulk has Brain Shield. There's nothing worse for a superhero than being mind-controlled by an evil telepath or demon. Luckily for the Hulk, he's actually naturally resistant to psychic attack in the comics. While this ability doesn't have 100% success rate, it has allowed him to fight off psychic intrusions from the likes of Xinyu, Mentalo, and even Professor X. Why the Hulk is resistant to psychic abilities is unclear, though it might have to do with his multiple personality disorder. Still, if you're going to mess with the Hulk's brain, your best bet is just flying in his ear. Hulk phone home. Bruce Banner may have been born in Dayton, Ohio, but the Hulk was created in New Mexico.
If you want to watch more of that Hulk, come into the Mojo room. You can finish watching that video right there. Had a couple new guys come in. That's why I was late. They got signed up. We got new guy, Pro Trader today. Trader. Open sub was yesterday. Tomer. And another guy signed up too. Who was the other guy? Where you going, Snooky? Where you going? There you go. Get up. He wants to sleep on my shoulder. Alright, so I got, let's see here. We haven't had a leaf check in a while. Yeah, Leaf check on UV to go to 11. That worked. Here's the leaf trade play. I teach that in MOJO University too. AMRH did a nice bounce off stopping station. I told you right there. Sold it right there for another dime. 227 to 37. Dow tracker technology for the Dow to go red, playing UVXY to 11. Here's the trade stopping station right here, 227. See it? To 237 right there, from 1016 to 1013 in 3 minutes. That was a great trade. Wriggle right here. We're in Wriggle. RIGL 360. Wriggle is already at 375. Wriggle at 350. The Heinz right there. We did Twitter. Sold at 40.03 for the Heinz trade play on Twitter. I called Twitter to go to 40 over a week ago. Dow's down 24 in AMRH, made 3,690 in AMRH. Here's the buy, 254 in AMRH. AVXL, here's the morning pick right here at 935, heading into 90. So once it broke through that 90, you should have added and sold through. AMRH 260 right there, 247 was up 990 on the first trade, then we nailed it again. AMRH only up 800 right there. Rolled it away. Everyone said hello this morning. Had 8,000 right here pre-market. Like I said, it was trading, not going right in on the open. Was already made 340. Traded it through Heinz, $2. That's why I have those shares. Only because it was at 2. See, AMRH right there, 197. AMRH 206. See it? Traded 879 to 953,000. Plenty of shares trading right there in the pre. Absolutely. Let's see what we got here. There. Let's see. MOJO University is tonight, correct, at 8 o'clock. I picked this one right here, which was SOGO, to go through 1140. And that's pretty much it. So that's a great day in the MOJO room. That's how we made a lot of money. That's how we made a lot of money today. So I'm back on Twitter. John McAfee. Dude, the guy's running for president, bro. 2020 president. You know he ran for president before? Did you know that? Yeah, he did. Dude, did you know there's a guy who's Zellcash, the CEO of Zellcash, is 16 years old? Can you believe that? Check it out, man. Mr. freaking JM. McAfee, antivirus prominento for the 2020 Libertarian Party. Did you know he ran right here? Look. McAfee's tweet, one token pod donated 300 and blah, 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 blah. Where is it? McAfee's run after he lost his bid in 2016 to former New York, Mexico Governor Gary Johnson for the Libertarian Party. See that? His second run for president. He'll get a lot of votes now, bro. That's McAfee. I ain't gonna vote for him. Not for president. Can you imagine him in the Oval? That one picture of him with all the women and stuff? Oh, forget about it. They come out of the woodworks. He can't do that. Am I up to 50,000 yet? Got to get to 50,000 file. 48.4. People love this one. Is that because it's cold? See the snow on the roof? But this one area of patch heat? Do you think they got a weed farm in there or a mining farm? That's the consensus. Let's see what some of the replies are. Weed mining. Crypto Owen. Dude, Crypto Owen Wilson. Dude, I got Owen Wilson following me and shit. Nice. Potcoin mining sativa strain.
Yes.
Mining sativas on the blockchain. Indos have lower block rewards.
Yeah.
Crypto Owen knows. Don't see a Lambo. It's weed.
Well, yes.
That's a good one, dude. It's a good one. VW van in the parking lot. Dude, that's so funny. I love that guy. Bitfarm Coop. I know Coop. Different Coop. Coop wishes he had all them freaking Bitcoin miners. The cat lives in that apartment. It's funny. Why can't it be both? Crypto Lily. Why'd you tweet this in June? I don't know, because I like it. Crypto weed. The former. Both. Las dos me valen. That probably means both. How has anyone come up with a way to apply blockchain to cannabis? Oh yeah, big time. Making money either way. Either way is both awesome. I like it. Nice. They like that tweet. Like that tweet. That's a good tweet. Look, you should go to my Twitter, guys. Pro Trader Mike. I'm posting the stocks of today, why they're breaking out. MEEP is one of the biggest gainers right here. Look up top right there, MEEP. MEEP's at 415. If you've been with me, you've had MEEP for a long time. You want to see when I bought MEEP? Let's see if I got a Ken Slim chart on MEEP. I do. MEIP. Nope. Yep, 4/12 of 2015. I have a newsletter that has MEEP in it. MEIP. Yep, sure does. It was the Masters newsletter. Check out the Masters newsletter. Cool, right? This is my newsletter that I sent on April 2nd, 2015. The Masters Swing Trade newsletter. So all the picks have a swing trading style based on my proprietary methods and the Ken Slim system. This is the breakdown of all, when you get the newsletter, tells you everything. What's the Hines trade play? Got to know that. The rules of the newsletter. Selling for profits and stop losses. Poor guy probably uses stop losses when he trades the market. Right? Market analysis for the week. A simple analysis is sometimes the best. This week there's 5 new trade plays. Here's the swing portfolio update. Position holding. Boom, rebought, looking for this, looking average costs, breakdown, ABCD. Look, it's ABCD is $11. Look, long-term hold, $1.65. It's 11. 11. Top 5 picks. Madison, right here, MTSN, to go through this with Ken Slim attributes. QTM, Quantum Corp, also looking hot to try. Also, Himmix at 6. Himmix. Trio Tech, TRT. SQNS, Sequans Communications. And then my watch list, Gig and Meep. Meep, $1.87. Meep's $4. Gig Optics right here at $1.42. All these stocks are definitely higher. Gig, $9.87 from $1.42. Right there, here's the pick. From $1.42 to $9.87. They probably did 9 cents per earnings per share in 2016, and then they did 18, and now they're up huge, and now they're at $9, probably doing 70 million and not 7 million. And that's the deal, boys. See that? Then you got Rubicon and Command Security, Data IO, and Rentec, RTK. RTK was going from a loss to a gain. Stocks RTK, stocks at $1.10. If they did what they say, its stock's going to be $3. RTK, let's see what that one is. Bought out. Don't have the swing thing up there. How come? I've been showing it without the swing. Let me look. Oh no. Yeah, it shows on my screen, but it doesn't show on the other. Here it is. So this is the gig right here that I was just talking about. Let me see if I can blow this up. Yeah. So gig is right here at $1.50. I see the breakout, and they're going to go from a loss of 2 to making 4, 5, and 9. You didn't get to see this, but this is what I was talking about. The Ken Slim charts on gig, which is at $9. Here's the newsletter from the beginning. There's a Masters one here. April 2nd of 2015. The structure. Page 3, what's the Heinz? The rules, selling for profits and stop losses. This guy probably uses stop losses when he trades in the market. I get a nice comic strip going in there. My analysis for the week. Portfolio breakdown of every single stock in the portfolio, and then the top 5 picks. Madison, MTSN. This one was going to go from 13 to 30 to 38 cents. MTSN at $3. See what that one is at. MTSN. Bought out. All these stocks get bought out. All these little Ken Slimmers. So that one's done. QTM at $1.84 from 6, 9, and 13. See if they did what they said they're going to do. QTM is $3.07. They sure did. And on the weekly, it's gone to $9. So from where I picked it, right here, it went from $1.84 to $9. Third pick is Himmix at $6.34 in 2015. Himmix is $6.59, but right here it was $13.95. Number 4 pick is TRT, Trio Tech. TRT is $4.65. has already been to $8.25 a couple of weeks ago. And I picked it here at $2.81. Beautiful pick, went right through the top of that 544. And then the next one I picked was Sequans Communications at $1.68 SQNS. All the Ken Slim picks is $1.92, but it's been to $4.48 in the last couple of weeks. So this one also went up 400%. Every one of them works. The swings right here, gig from $1.42 is at 9. Meep, $1.87, 5 today. Rubicon, RBCN, is 8.04. Rubicon's been as high as 10. I picked Rubicon right here at 3.71. Command Security at $1.95. Same thing. Data IO right here at 3.75. Extreme growth, low float, Data IO, DAIO. Right here has gone to $16, and I picked it right here at 3.75. Rentec, new CEO coming in the picture with increased earnings. RTK, they got bought out. PRKR, Parker Vision with a 560% gain, 70-cent pick on Parker Vision. PRKR is 69, but has been as high as $3.80 in the last couple of weeks, and I picked it at 70. And then you have Data RAM right here. Low float Data RAM, DRAM, and no estimates for the future. So there you go. That's an example of the swing trade newsletter for Mojo. Beautiful. Beautiful. So here's Zellcash. Can you believe the CEO is a 16-year-old? Check it out. Miles Scribbles Manley. Look at him. Dude, he's 16. Miles is a young business owner. At age 16, he founded the Zell Foundation. Holy shizzle bizzle, Mr. Miles. Zellcash. Look at the team. He's got quite a team. Zellcash community. What is Zellcash? It's the coin and system of transacting value inside the ZellDev platform running on the Equihash blockchain. It's a mineable making distribution fair with a proof of stake element that's going to be added in the form of Zell nodes to bring around the capabilities and network stability needed for the ZellDev decentralized development platform to be released. Zellcash is and will always be a staple in all projects undertaken by the Zell Foundation. Badass. You know what an FPGA is? You know how much to build an FPGA mining rig is? $30,000. You know that? It's like GPUs on steroids. Do you know what an FPGA is? Let me show you. An FPGA miner. See right here, this is an FP. It's 5,725 for this card right there. And I got to hook up 64 megabytes of RAM to it. That's just one. Oh, this has 2 of them in there. See it? NEC Ether GPU expansion, FPGA PCIe over Internet, crypto mining, 3D simulation, virtual reality, RTLI latency with deep learning. 5,725. See that? Did you guys know about that? FPGA Acceleration Hub. Did you know that? FPGAs, Intel FPGA Based Acceleration Hub. See it? Right there. That's the card. That's my new projects right there, boys. Isn't that cool? Isn't that cool? Look at that. Intel Programmable Acceleration Card. They're a lot of money, dudes. The artificial intelligence white paper. Here's a do-yourself FPGA mining rig. FPGA. Why FPGA will rule cryptocurrency mining. See this? This is an FPGA without the shell though. It's called a fractional, I'll show you what it's called. A field programmable gate array is what it's called. Why mine with an FPGA?
Here from Premarket.com. Let me give you a video today about the FPGA miner. This is a field programmable gate array that we talked about in the previous video. And we didn't have enough time to really go into the details of this, so I wanted to talk about this a little bit more. So this device is a programmable device that has a bunch of ICs and transistors and whatever else that's in this, designed to do lots of very different functions.
A lot of memory and processing.
From using this to be able to turn on things like pumps and assembly drives, and a lot of times they use these in manufacturing facilities to be able to optimize their systems. It's like the next step up from a PLC. It is something that's neat about this is it has the ability to program all of this in a visual GUI where you can actually use a schematic drawing to be able to program. And you don't even have to write any code. Now, if you do,
but you have to write code,
which is great. So I have the Arduino here. So you can use this as an example. If you know anything about the Arduino, this is a microcontroller that allows you to be able to use all these input and output pins to be able to run it on a program. So you can send a sketch to the Arduino, and it will, you can control.
Yeah, use Wi-Fi too, why don't you?
Like Eric over here.
Just do it, mount it right to the computer.
Proximity sensor to be able to see when the car is in the driveway.
You don't need that.
Or it has
not for mining.
To see, what the temperature is out, and you can map it.
See, look, here's the specs.
Over to.
See, look, GPU, NVIDIA, processing, 65. Where's the here? A 1080 Ti, 245 watts of power. The L3 800, FPGA 35. Price. So daily profit, FPGA 27 cents. ASIC 355. I'm getting ASIC too. This is not true with ASIC. Profit per watt, hours per watt. Mega hash, 1600 mega hash, 7300 mega hash, i7 11. Yeah, when it comes to the programming of it, that's the Achilles heel. It runs on a hardware descriptive language which requires you to program the device's physical hardware, such as the gate arrays and static IP manually. They've developed a semi-automatic language of VDHL, which is a visual way of programming it. Well, I don't like to do that. Let's do it manually. Open computer language is a cross-platform high-level program derived from C. This gives you the CPU, the GPU, and the CC miner, and the CG miner. Ooh. Cache. Here's my nice hash miner. See what's offline. I got MOJO Miner 1, MOJO Miner 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, MOJO Miner 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, Origin, VLOC. Got a lot of miners going on there, boys. 17 miners right there, boys. How you do it? How you make the dollarinis? And I got a lot of vote coin too. I got a lot of pot coin. Well, let's see what we're at. Yeah, the record profits. Gotta love it. Bitcoin's going up. Gotta love that. A lot of emails. Yep, tonight. Mojo U tonight, guys. Don't miss it. I'm getting the emails in. You're going to be attending. I want an email saying, yeah, I can attend class. Oh. Class is tonight at 8 o'clock. IB? I don't know. I'll answer after later. Nice. Oh, what do you guys trade? Yeah, class is 8 p.m. You were not watching me on YouTube, are you? Been talking about it all the time there, Mr. What is it? What is your name? Mr. Confused. Let me see you watching me on YouTube. Yeah, journal, guys. Absolutely. That's pretty much it. Good day. All around. It feels like it's Friday. It needs to be the weekend already. Jeez. Golf game? Yeah, your game is nothing like my game, buddy. I'll take you on that golf course. Show you how to hit that ball, kid. I'll show you how to hit that ball, Mr. Confused. You'll be confused, believe me. Ask some of the boys. Ask them. They played with me. Best round I shot with some of the boys was a 68. 68 with the boys. Frisbee variant. Nice. That's a good game. Poker. Dude, they had the coin series of poker, bro. Gerarda. See that? On that website? They send like 20 people to the World Series of Poker. Your buddy just won the 100,000 no limit yesterday. Sick. Good buddy. It's a good buddy to have, dude. Now he's going to parlay that into Majillions or lose it. Oh, nice. What's his name? Nick Petrangelo. Yeah, he just won his second bracelet 20 hours ago. Nick Petrangelo adds another bracelet to his collection. Second World Series Poker, most prestigious events. Poker Pro from Massachusetts to beat 105 entries in the 100,000. Wow, due to the high roller event. He's a fucking badass. He defeated Elio Fox, second title, 2.9 million, 1.7 million. Woo! Just another accolade of his crowded poker resume. 10-day stretch. Beautiful, dude. Huge buy-in and streams. Probably more relief to be done. 31-year-old put on a clinic. Just has a lot of experience playing these for 4 years versus the other guys, because everyone's good. Like in professional golf, dude, everyone could freaking hit it off the tee and hit the greens. To the putters, man, it's that little variance difference. The experience is invaluable, being able to play with the players. The top 15 or 20 guys have an edge because the game is evolving and they're the ones pushing the evolution. They play against each other all the time, so you're learning every time you play. You can't really replace that. It's what happens when you trade with me. You won 2.9 million. Gotta go play in that World Series of Poker, bro. Damn. Yeah, Gerardo, I need to be playing in that one day. One day, dude. I'll be wearing the MOJO hat. Table. Absolutely, kid.
Yeah.
Alright, guys. It's been a fun day. Hope you had fun. Yeah, you'd be wondering when you see me in it. One of these days, dude, I'm gonna. One of these days. Got to build the mining farm a little bit more. It's my goal right now. After that goal's done in 2019, maybe I'll go represent the MOJO at the WSOP next year. That'd be beautiful. Absolutely. Part of the portfolio. This SUPV 1946. All right, boys. UV 1077. Wow, that thing really fell, dude. Up and down. Now it's a good buy-off stopping station. UV is. Go ahead and do a trade for the end of the day. It's 3:30. UV into the end of the day. Peace. Pro Trader Mike signing off. I'll see you all tomorrow. Yeah, that's me, Pro Trader Mike. Subscribe to my channel if you wouldn't mind. You see the shark when he swims around. Click by him.